We're looking at question 11. It says find the vertex of the parabola defined by this term. And what we have now is the vertex of the parabola. You could complete the square if you wanted to, but the easiest way is to recognize that in standard form, A, B, and C, I can use the formula. Let's just use the formula. Let's just write it up here. There's a lot of space. Don't write in your own book, obviously, but part A, and the at vertex, x is equal to minus b over 2a, which is equal to minus 4 over 2 times, let's see, a is minus half. So the first thing I want to do is decide if this is positive or negative. And because I have a positive and a negative, I know that the whole thing is going to be positive. I also know that 2 over 2, I can cross it out. 2 over 2, that's equal to 1. And I'm left with a 4. So I'll just write is equal to 4. So the vertex has x equals 4. Now the next step is to just substitute x right here and right here to find what f at x is. And that'll give me my y value or vertex. So let's do that. Let's say, let's just write it up here. X is equal to 4. What are we left with? We can say that f at x, f at 4, in other words, equals minus half times 4 squared plus 4 times 4 plus 3. And I ran out of space. Let's move this somewhere where there's some more space. And let's rewrite it. So let's do it again. F at x equals minus half 4 square, and I shouldn't say f at x, I should say f at 4. When x is 4, plus 4 times 4 plus 3. And I'm left with minus half times 16 plus 16 plus 3. So what am I left with next? That's equal to minus half of 16 minus 8 plus 16 plus 3. What is that equal to? So that's equal to 8 plus 3, which is equal to 11. So f at 4 equals 11. So the vertex is 4, 11. And that's how we do part A. Is the vertex, part B, is the vertex a minimum or a maximum? Well, we know that A equals minus half. That means, right? That means it's actually flipped. So that would make it a maximum. That's all you need to know that it's a maximum. If you want to convince yourself that it's a maximum further than that, you can go ahead and put that into a graphing calculator or Desmos or whatever you have at your disposal, and you'll find out that, in fact, it is a maximum value. All right, next, what do we have? We have how many x-intercepts does the function have? Okay, so a nice way to do this, because it's in standard form, is we can use the discriminant. Use discriminant. And that's equal to b squared minus 4ac. And now, what's b squared? That's 4 squared minus 4 times a minus half times c, which is 3, which is equal to 16. Take away, oops, is it take away? It's actually going to be plus. Anyway, whatever this number is, I have a positive plus a positive. It's going to be positive. I'm going to go ahead and solve it anyway, but because it's positive, it means I have 2 solutions. And I don't have to explain, you don't have to explain it any more than that. If the discriminant is positive, you have 2 solutions. But that's fine. Let's go ahead and solve this. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6. And that's equal to, let's erase this for now, right? 16 plus 6, that's equal to 22. And obviously that's positive, and therefore it has 2 x-intercepts. Because discriminant, because b squared minus 4ac is positive. Okay, that is how you do question 11.